How to allow WhatsApp to access contacts on iPhone. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to allow WhatsApp to access contact in iPhone. First of all, you need to open up your settings on your iPhone. So scroll down until you find the WhatsApp and then tap on WhatsApp. Now here, as you can see, you can control what WhatsApp can use on your iPhone. So, WhatsApp has access to your contacts while using the application. Also, it has access to your microphone as well as camera. Currently, it has access, but if you want to change this, you can just simply turn on or turn off the toggle switch. So this is how you can allow WhatsApp to access contact in iPhone. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.